Hey everyone, JT here again. In this lesson, we're going to be talking about something that's not always easy to think about, but it's super important for business owners: estate planning. Now, you might be thinking, estate planning? Isn't that for just rich folks with mansions and yachts? Well, the truth is, estate planning is for everyone, especially if you own a business. Think of like this: little Johnny, despite his young age, is a pretty savvy entrepreneur. He's building a thriving lemonade stand empire, but he knows that life can throw some curveballs. So he decides to create an estate plan to protect his business and ensure its future, even if something unexpected happens. Estate planning, it's all about making sure your assets, your business, your personal property, your investments are taken care of according to your wishes, even if you're not around to manage them yourself. Okay, so where do I start? First, living will or living trust. Okay, first things first, you need a will or a living trust. These legal documents outline how you want your assets distributed after you're gone. Okay, I am a big fan of living trusts. Okay, they might be a little bit more work to set up now, but they can save your loved ones a lot of hassle and expenses later. Wills, on the other hand, can get bogged down in probate court, which can, be time consuming and costly. But look at both. Then a family limited partnership, FLPs. Okay, now here's a cool tool for business owners, an FLP. It's a legal structure that allows you to transfer ownership of your business to your family members. Okay, usually your children's gradually while still maintaining control as the general partner. Okay, this is a great way to get your kids involved in the business, teach them the ropes, and ensure smooth transition of ownership down the line. Plus, it can offer some tax advantages and asset protections benefits. Okay, and then keep it current. Estate planning is not a set it and forget it kind of thing. It's a living document that needs to be reviewed and updated regularly, especially when you experience major life events like marriage, divorce, and the birth of a child. Okay, so here is the most important part: get professional advice. Estate planning can be complex with legal and tax implications that can be tricky to navigate. So make sure you consult an estate attorney and a CPA who specializes in estate planning. They can help you create a plan that meets your specific needs and ensure your legacy is protected. Okay, now you might be wondering, why is estate planning so important for business owners? Well, think about it. You want to make sure business continuity. What happens to your business if you are suddenly unable to run it? An estate plan can ensure a smooth transition of ownership and prevent your business from falling apart. Okay, then asset protection. Your business is a valuable asset. An estate plan can help protect it from creditors, lawsuits, and other potential threats. In family harmony, estate planning can help you prevent disputes among your loved ones after you're gone. It ensures your wishes are respected and your assets are distributed fairly. Estate planning is not just about preparing for the inevitable. It's about protecting your loved ones, preserving your legacy, and ensuring the continued success of your business. So don't wait until it's too late. You start planning today and give yourself and your family peace of mind.